Okay, open your browser and go to the Omegle website. In this video, I will talk about two methods to find girls on Omegle. So this is a 1 minute video and I hope you will watch the full video. After go to the website, you can see option to select language. So first method is change language. I will tell you best language to find girls on Omegle. English is the best language to talk with girls. Second language is Latin. You can find girls after choose Latin language. Third one is Portuguese. So after that you selected language from this option, you will connected with their countries. It's just like country selector. So second method is the most common method. You can add most use interest to find girls. You can add TikTok, Snapchat and baseball to this box and start video chat. You will be surprised. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.